Good morning. Good morning. It's my sixth day in my vacation. Again, adobo crab for breakfast. And Gigi. And fish. Good morning. Good morning. I sometimes watch my own videos to reminisce the previous travels that I had. It's like grass jelly but not jelly. It's quite good. For lunch, we had the shrimp sinigang. And for dessert, I had a coconut and saging na saba. That night, my mom invited some of my uncles and aunts to have dinner at home. And she served a lot of different dishes with a lot of fish. Easy. And whenever I stay home, I go to the nearby gym, despite being very hot because there's no air conditioner. Now I'm off to Pasig City to the Podium where I will meet my friends for dinner. I can't even remember when I last went to the Podium, so it felt new to me. I noticed that Podium is an upscale mall with lots of food options. I noticed this patisserie and I couldn't resist because everything looked so good. But to be honest, I hated the lighting at this area because the lighting made the food look unappetizing. While waiting for friends, I decided to order one eclair and I thoroughly enjoyed it. Very delicious. I also noticed this fancy looking cafe and I made a mental note to visit if I visit the Podium again. Kultura is my favorite souvenir shop in the Philippines. There are so many choices, from artisanal foodstuff, artworks, alcohol, chocolate, and even scents. I actually came for the banana chips by the Socorro farm. Unfortunately, they didn't have the plain flavor. This is one of my favorite souvenirs for myself, and I suggest you try it too. There are so many local and craft alcohol, and these would be very good souvenirs for friends abroad. For dinner, me and my friends decided to go to Basil, a Thai restaurant at the Podium.
Or mix.
The menu was quite unique, like this tamarind slushie. I really like the pomelo salad. It's sweet but savory at the same time. Very refreshing. And if there's coconut juice on the menu, I definitely go for it. We ordered the bagong rice, and it really paired well with the green mango. I like the deep fried fish with basil leaves, and the fins were really crunchy like chicharon. I think the chicken wrapped in pandan was my favorite that night.
Sticky rice.
I'm with my friends, college friends. Say hi.
Hi!
Hola.
It's nice to catch up with longtime friends from time to time. Anyway guys, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching and I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to see more videos on hotel, food, and travel, please subscribe. See you again and stay safe. Bye bye!